We are here at Collegetown Center. We are at the far west end of the hallway. I wanted to show you how the hallway wraps around at the end so you can see the location of this apartment. We're going to the end of the hallway, and as we wrap around, there's a few more apartment doors over here. We're going into apartment 509. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. We're on the 5th floor of this 6th-floor elevator building here at 151 Dryden Road. We're entering through the kitchen. You can see we have the stove oven, the microwave, the sink and dishwasher, refrigerator, and we have some great cabinet space and your drawers and a countertop here. As we go into the apartment, we will go around through the kitchen. This door on the right is the bathroom. There's one bathroom for the unit, and it has the tub shower with the sliding door. You can see the sink and the vanity that opens up underneath for more storage. There's the toilet, and there's a small mirror cabinet on the wall as well that holds some additional small items as well as your towel bars. And as we go into the living space, we've got the furnishings, the dining table and chairs. There's the seating arrangements, some tables, and we'll go and take a look out the window to that great view. I want to show you this closet that's here in the living room. So this is some additional storage space. This is great for boxes and suitcases and winter coats and things like that. As we go over towards the window, we're facing to the west. We're on the 5th floor, so we're on a high floor of the 6th floor building. We've got the southwest over to our left. That's a gorgeous valley view. Over to our right, we want to take a look, and we can see several things. You can see Dryden Road outside ahead of us. That is Cascadilla Hall over on the right. That's one of the Collegetown dorms. You can see the original Eddy Street gate entrance, the historic entrance to Cornell University. And in the distance, we can see Cayuga Lake. So we have a beautiful lake view here. I'll zoom in for a minute. There we go. So you can see the lake view. We have the same view from all 3 windows. Let's go and take a look in the bedrooms. So we're located at 151 Dryden Road here in Collegetown Center. We're just at the corner of College and Dryden. This is room 1 over here on the left side. And we are 1 block from campus, so we're in a very central location. This apartment layout is available on floors 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 here in this building. The bedrooms will have the full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, a closet, and bookshelf like this. Let's take a look at the closet. The closet has your hanging space and good storage space in here. Each room has its own air conditioner. Each room has its own heating control as well. So again, that beautiful view, especially over to the lake view, over to our northwest, southwest over there with the valley views. Let's go across. So in the number 09 and 00 style 2-bedroom apartments, the bedrooms are separated by the living room like this layout. This is room 2. In the number 08 and 10 style 2-bedroom apartments, the bedrooms are next to each other and off of the one side of the living room. So here is the 2nd bedroom. So bookshelf again over here. This is the smaller of these 2 bedrooms. Same furnishings, slightly smaller window, but same view. This building has an elevator, 6 floors. Great location here in Central Collegetown at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road, right here in Central Collegetown.